Is your home's plumbing system running smoothly? Discover how eAuditor revolutionizes residential plumbing inspections. This digital tool ensures thorough assessments, enhancing functionality, safety, and compliance. Using eAuditor for plumbing inspections verifies systems' functionality and safety. It helps identify issues like leaks or clogs. The tool offers customizable checklists, photo documentation, and automated reports. This makes inspections more accurate and consistent. Cloud storage ensures efficient data management. Preparation involves organizing tools and details. Verify the main water supply system's functionality. Assess all plumbing fixtures in the house. Evaluate the drainage system for proper flow. Finally, check the pipe condition for any damage. Log into eAuditor and create the inspection checklist. Prepare tools like a pressure gauge and flashlight. Verify the main water supply system for leaks and pressure standards. Inspect the shutoff valve and water meter. Record the system's status in eAuditor. Assess the condition of plumbing fixtures like faucets and toilets. Document any leaks or damages with photos. Evaluate the drainage system for flow and blockages. Check sink, shower, and toilet drains. Mark their status in eAuditor. We will cover check pipes for visible damage or leaks. This is your first topic. Use a moisture meter for hidden leaks. This is your second topic. Assess the water heater's performance and safety. This is your third topic. Check temperature settings and pressure relief valve. Document findings in eAuditor. eAuditor's digital tools streamline plumbing inspections. Regular checks prevent costly damage and enhance water efficiency. Maintain a reliable plumbing system with eAuditor.